Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford Edge sunroof issues. Many owners experience problems like sticking or unusual noises. We'll start by identifying common culprits, such as debris in the tracks or electrical glitches. Understanding these initial signs is crucial for effective troubleshooting. This guide will help you pinpoint the exact cause of your sunroof's malfunction, saving you time and effort. Once you've identified the problem, it's time to troubleshoot. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the sunroof tracks to remove any accumulated dirt or debris. After cleaning, apply a high-quality silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth operation. If the sunroof still isn't responding, try performing a motor reset, which can often resolve minor electrical communication problems. These steps are essential for basic maintenance. For more persistent issues, you might need to consider advanced repairs. This could involve replacing a faulty sunroof motor or a malfunctioning control switch. If you're experiencing water leaks, inspect and repair or replace any clogged or damaged drain tubes. Remember, some complex problems, especially those involving structural components or intricate electrical systems, are best handled by a certified technician to ensure safety and proper function. To keep your Ford Edge sunroof in top condition, preventative maintenance is key. Regularly clean and lubricate the tracks to ensure smooth operation and prevent future issues. Also, periodically check your drain tubes for blockages to avoid potential water leaks and damage. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.